So how can you back up your iPhone to Google Drive instead of the iCloud? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss explanations and tutorials like this one. So essentially, there isn't any direct way, but there are plenty of indirect ways to back up stuff on Google Drive. For example, a lot of people just have their photos backed up to iCloud, and instead you can download the Google Photos app, which obviously is connected with your Google Drive, and you can back up your photos there instead of using the iCloud version of Cloud Backup, right? So that would be one thing. Outside of that, you can also check out your Files app, where in the location section, you can also see the Google Drive, and you can move some files, like some random files, PDFs, whatever, from your local storage directly to the Google Drive. Or you can also just directly open up the Drive app and upload anything you need to back up to your account. Outside of that, a lot of people want to back up their contacts. And there are dedicated export contacts app, which lets you just export all of your contacts in a vCard format or even other formats and back it up to Google Drive, right? So as I say, there are plenty of indirect ways of backing up your important data to Google Drive instead of iCloud. But as I say, as of right now, there isn't just one click button solution to back up your whole phone to the Google Drive. So let me know what you think about that below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.